Nature's recycling process, composting. Have you observed what happens to fallen leaves, branches, dead trees and animals when they lie in the open exposed to the environment? They decay over a period of time and disappear into soil. Why and how does this happen? Today, we will take a look at a process that takes place in nature all around us at all times. The process is called composting. You must have heard of people using compost as fertilizer in their gardens and fields to improve the growth of their plants. What is compost? Compost is an organic fertilizer formed by the decomposition of plant and animal matter in a process called composting. Composting is nature's recycling system. Do you remember another video in which we had spoken about a process called fermentation, in which milk turned into curd? Fermentation is brought about by microorganisms or microbes, which are very tiny living organisms that are not visible to the naked eye. Do watch the video, How Does Milk Turn into Curd, if you don't remember. The process of composting is similar to fermentation, as it is also carried out by bacteria. In both these processes, bacteria break down complex organic matter into simple substances. You may now wonder about the difference between fermentation and composting. The major difference is this. Fermentation is indeed carried out by bacteria, but these bacteria do not require oxygen for their survival. That is why they are called anaerobic bacteria, meaning bacteria that do not need air or oxygen. Fermentation is therefore called an anaerobic process. The gases produced during fermentation are methane, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. To know more about this, watch the video Fermentation from Food to Fuel. Composting is also brought about by bacteria. However, these bacteria require oxygen to live and grow. They are therefore called aerobic bacteria, and the process of composting is known as an aerobic process. The gases produced in this process are carbon dioxide and water vapor. Composting is nature's way of dealing with waste. When trees or animals die in the forest, millions of bacteria, insects, worms, etc. begin to feed on them. All living organisms are rich in minerals and contain many elements that make up their tissues. This organic matter that is rich in nutrients is decomposed during composting. The complex compounds that make up the tissues are broken down into simple substances, forming a soil-like substance. The gases produced in this process are released into the atmosphere. The compost, rich in elements and minerals, mixes with the soil and enriches it. This soil is very beneficial for plants as it provides them with nutrients for their growth. This is why composting is called nature's recycling process. Now a task for you. Throw a banana peel or some leftover vegetables or their peels in some soil and leave it there exposed. Observe it every day. What happens to it? How does its color and appearance change? How many days does it take to completely disintegrate and disappear into the soil? Note down your observations in a table like this. Do look out for our next video in which we will discuss composting in greater detail.